Hello, my name is Justin Choi. I'll be your instructor for the Excel portion of this course. As you can see here, to start Excel, you would have to go to the search icon of your taskbar, type in Excel, click on it to start the application. After starting the application, you'll see the home side, the new side, new tab. We'll be just messing around with a template. In this case, we'll be using a blank template. As you can see, just like all the other Microsoft applications so far, there's a file for saving, publishing, exporting, sharing. There's an insert tab, which will allow you to insert charts, tables, illustrations, and so on. There's a layout tab, which is basically a design tab for your page. There's a formula tab, which has many functions, like an automatic sum tab. So let's say if we're going to do an auto sum, we'll just do 1, 1. We'll highlight these two, and then we just do Alt plus Enter. So let's try that again. 1, 3, plus Enter. Let's see. Or you could just do sum equals A2 and B2. That's the location of the two cells. Give me a sec.